Everyone tells you to scale by adding headcount. They're wrong. In 2024, hiring a sales team is the fastest way to burn your margins. Why pay a $5,000 monthly salary for someone to send cold emails and book calls, when a $20 OpenAI subscription can do it better, faster, and while you sleep? I've spent the last year obsessing over AI automation. I've built zero-employee engines that find high-ticket leads, qualify them, and book appointments without a single human intervention. The result? Higher conversion rates and zero payroll stress. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly how to combine Make.com with OpenAI assistants to build your own autonomous lead gen machine. No fluff, no vague prompt engineering theories. Just a step-by-step build that lets you scale your agency or business without adding a single employee. Let's get into the blueprint. Traditional scaling is a trap. You've been told that to make more money, you need more people. But here is the reality of adding headcount. First, there's the cost. A decent sales rep isn't cheap. Base salary, commissions, benefits. You're suddenly out $5,000 a month before they've even booked a single call. Then comes the onboarding. 2 weeks of hand-holding. Constant Slack messages asking for clarification. You aren't the CEO anymore. You're a full-time babysitter. And the inconsistency. It's brutal. 1 week they're on fire. The next, they're researching while your pipeline dries up. Humans get tired. They get distracted. They have off days. But the real killer is the lag. A high-intent lead hits your site at midnight. Your rep sees it at 9 a.m. By then, that lead has already booked a call with your competitor. You aren't building a scalable engine. You're building a management nightmare. You're trading your freedom for a legacy system that relies on human mood swings. In 2024, paying for effort is a losing game. You should be paying for outcomes. You need a system that qualifies leads 24/7, never sleeps, and never asks for a raise. So you're a solopreneur or agency owner looking to scale. Everyone tells you to hire a sales team, but I'm here to tell you that's a huge mistake. A traditional sales team can cost you upwards of $5,000 per month. And let's be real, that's just not feasible for most of us. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to build a lead gen engine that runs 24/7 without breaking the bank. Enter Make.com and OpenAI assistants. With these tools, you can automate your lead generation and start seeing real results. I know what you're thinking. Isn't AI automation just for big businesses? Not anymore. Make.com is an automation platform that lets you connect different apps and services with ease. And OpenAI assistants are capable of handling complex tasks like lead qualification and follow-up. So how does it work? First, you set up a lead magnet on your website. This could be a free ebook, webinar, or template. Then you connect your website to Make.com using a simple API key. From there, you can automate the entire lead gen process. For example, when someone downloads your lead magnet, Make.com can automatically send them a follow-up email with a personalized message. And with OpenAI assistants, you can take it to the next level. These assistants can analyze the lead's behavior and send targeted follow-ups based on their interests. It's like having a team of sales reps working for you without the hefty price tag. And the best part, it's incredibly cost-effective. A $20 OpenAI subscription can replace a $5,000 per month sales team. That's a no-brainer. So if you're ready to build a zero-employee lead gen engine and start seeing real results, keep watching. I'll show you exactly how to set up Make.com and OpenAI assistants to automate your lead generation. It's time to work smarter, not harder. I used Make.com and OpenAI assistants to build my lead gen engine. Big thanks to our affiliates, Make.com and OpenAI, for making this possible. With just a $20 OpenAI subscription, I generated 500 leads in 1 month. That's a 500% ROI. Don't waste $5,000 a month on a sales team. Instead, try Make.com and OpenAI. Click the links below to get started. You can build your own zero-employee lead gen engine. Watch my next video for a step-by-step tutorial.